bathroom. Round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Picture perfect, but so many flaws have stopped you. I don't wanna ever see you in the same room. I'll open up and then you hit on all my issues. Round and round we go, we go. Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my dreams. Do I need a touch or do I just need sleep? Cause I've been up for almost 3 weeks. Oh, you think you got to me? All you did was use me.